And we're still here at CES, and we've returned once again to UGreen. We're here at the UGreen stand right now. Do you remember last year, IFA 2024, when UGreen showed off their new AI NAS equipped systems? There was 2 of them there. Well, we've moved forward around 4 to 5 months, and we're here with Marcus, the product manager, and he's going to walk us through some of those AI capabilities, stuff that we know and maybe some new stuff that we didn't. So Marcus, fire away.
Sure. So here we have AI demo area of our AI features. I think most of our users are already very familiar with
recognition.
Okay. Yeah, these features already available on DXP series, like search by keyword, recognize similar photos, search by a sentence, customer learning. So what's new on our AI models? So let's talk about these 3 features.
Cool.
So the first thing first, we have a smart chatting. This will be a separate application for that, smart chatting application. So you guys might already very familiar with some other public or open smart chatting platform. So what is the difference? Because a NAS, you store your files in it. And if you ask a public or open smart chatting platform, the answer has actually come from the internet. So if you ask your NAS, and the answer is based on your own local data, and because we want to make the users the control of their own data. So if you if you don't want all your data be accessed by this model, you can select the range of the files that be open to this application.
So it's very much an opt-in service then. So it's a case of you can choose how much of your data in your system. And can you run this AI chat with no internet services connected?
Yes, you can do that. It is local based, and we also offer option because some users still want to get some answers from the internet. We still have the option. You can choose. You can select from the local, from the internet, and for the local, you can select the range of files that be acceptable for this model. Right.
So an example of the AI chat. Sorry to interrupt. So for example, I was storing lots of ebooks, and those ebooks were lots of documents, lots of books, lots of magazines. If I asked the AI chat a question based on the content of that, has the AI in an OCR fashion stored a lot of that information to pull a resource from that, or is it on a file naming basis?
I mean, the exact user interface has not determined yet.
Okay.
But I would say it will give a summary based on your questions, and
Cool. Well, it's good to know that, again, I think a lot of the brands at the moment are trying to pursue this idea of AI assistance and some of the ease of LLMs onto a NAS system without internet access. So it's nice to see that this is the direction that you're taking, and particularly that opt-in, opt-out fashion is going to be beneficial. But is there any other services here on the AI's kind of benefits that you could talk about?
I would say we have many features in the planning. So here we just showcase 3 main features. So the second one is we can summarize based on a meeting record. You have so many meetings every day, and then if you want to make a meeting minus, we can just we can transfer the voice record and into a textual summary of the.
Oh wow! So if for example, say you are a YouTuber who has recorded hundreds of hours of stuff and realised that you need to go back to an earlier recording, which happens. When that happens, I'd be able to use this to actually get an OCR read on all of my previously recorded audio read. And does that extend to any other media types like MP4 and stuff like that, or is it currently just audio files?
It is a good suggestion, but currently MP3 is the first step.
Okay, cool. I mean, again, I can already see myself personally using that quite a lot because I'm good at my job. Okay. Any other AI services?
And the third feature is text generation. So people always store tons of files within their NAS. So our AI NAS will help generate the text, so you can quickly know whether these documents are talking about. And you can just click the test here, and we'll help you filter the documents automatically.
So organic native searches, again, in terms of cataloging and filing, that is going to be quite beneficial there. And again, of how are all of the facilities that we've discussed conducted with no internet access if we choose to. They're all done within the system. Yes. And I know your new systems are running on that Intel 125, that Ultra Core series, correct? I mean, again, I know there's two systems. Are they both running on the Ultra Core processors?
It is the same systems, but for that AI model, you will have these features.
Perfect.
Yeah, based on the OTA upgrade.
Okay, we will be talking more about these new iDX systems here at CES later on in the week. They've also got the keynote here happening in the next 24 hours, so do stay tuned for that. Next video on this is definitely going to be digging a lot more into the hardware, notwithstanding that great CPU that we talked about. Forgive me if I'm wrong, I just spotted some Oculink over there, which I'll be straight with you, I'm going to take a good look at. But again, we'll be continuing to cover CES for the rest of the week, so do stay tuned for that. But other than that, see you in the next video.